I'll be showing you the top purchase order or PO apps for your Shopify store. For these top apps, we'll be taking a look at their features, UI, pricing, and reviews so you can understand what's going to be the best fit for your store. So without further delay, let's head into our first one here. It's called Auto Purchase Orders. So you can create, manage, email, and track all of your POs in one place. It also allows you to receive inventory from POs with ease, so you can effortlessly generate dropship purchase orders for each order, or you can send created purchase orders directly to suppliers via email from your custom domain. Once inventory is received, the app will also automatically update the inventory levels in Shopify. So overall, you can do purchase orders, create, manage, and email all your POs. You can automate fulfillment, and it's easy to set up and enjoyable to use. You can also customize your purchase orders and tailor it to your brand using a drag and drop editor with no code required. You also get automation workflows, so you can send those directly to suppliers. You can also create and manage suppliers in one place. In terms of pricing, there's a 14-day free trial, and it's going to start at $24 a month for 50 purchase orders. And it's going to go up in price depending on the amount of POs you have. In terms of reviews, it's sitting at an excellent 4.9 stars with 28 5-star reviews. Our second app is going to be called Easy Purchase Orders. This is going to allow your customers to create professional purchases or POs from the cart. So you can easily add the PO button alongside the checkout button so your customers can go and request these. And it's a customizable pop-up. So purchase orders will then be saved directly inside your shop as draft orders. PO, PDF, and email templates are completely customizable. In terms of pricing, it's going to be flat rate pricing here with a 7-day free trial, and it's $8.99 a month. In terms of reviews, sitting at an excellent 4.9 stars with 18 5-star reviews. And the latest review here says the app is extremely versatile and powerful, and the support team is also extremely responsive, helpful, kind, and generous. Our third app here is called Ultimate Purchase Orders. So you can create, manage, send, and track your purchase orders with minimal effort. You can also receive and transfer inventory. It allows you to automate drop shipping, so you can configure the app to use your customer's shipping address as the ship to address for your POs. It's also going to give you a professional purchase order template, works with multi-currencies, inventory transfers, auto sending from your email, packing slips, as well as splitting up the POs. You can do this all in one single app. You can easily create POs directly from your Shopify orders. In terms of pricing, there's a 7-day free trial, and it's going to start at $7.99 a month for up to 50 POs per month. You're going to get automatic PO creation, as well as many other features. And it's going to go up in price depending on the number of POs and the exact feature set you're looking for. In terms of reviews, sitting at a really good 4 stars with 3 5-star reviews. In terms of the latest review here, it says, I don't write reviews very often, but the experience thus far has gone beyond their wildest dreams, and it does exactly what they need it to do. For our last app here, it's called Smart Purchase Orders. So more and more e-commerce merchants are using their AI-powered system to save time and money. You can utilize real-time data to predict demand and avoid stockout and overstocking, and improve sales and profits with efficient inventory management, as well as discover hidden trends to increase your AOV. So this is going to make your overall purchasing ordering process easier by demystifying the future, so you can forecast future demand. You can also capitalize on hidden trends to maximize revenue, and you're never going to guess how much to reorder ever again. It's going to AI generate these reorder quantities so you can know what POs to prioritize and save time when repurchasing. This lets you prevent sales bottlenecks, identify areas of inefficiency, and to track material usage. In terms of pricing, there's a 14-day free trial, and it starts at $47 a month, and it goes up to $89 a month, and it's going to depend on your average monthly order volume. It has a perfect 5-star rating with 6 5-star reviews, and the latest review here says it's the best solution they found to inform their inventory purchases and reorders. It tells you when to order based off history of sales at that price, and it allowed them to get a really good handle on their inventory for once. If you've made any sales on Shopify, you know how hard it is to keep track of how much profit your store has actually made. That's where our sponsor Profit Calc comes in. It's the one-click profit calculator available for your Shopify store. You can get one-click calculations. All you need to do is select the date range you're looking for, And you're going to get real-time calculations for your revenue, cost of goods sold, as well as your ad spend, including Facebook, Google, Snapchat, Pinterest, TikTok, and Bing. And it also has integrations with CJ Dropshipping and AliExpress. You get a ton of different details and analytics. There's a 15-day free trial so you can test drive everything for yourself. There's a link in the description below to access the Shopify app listing. You can also search for it in the Shopify App Store by searching Profit Calc and looking for this logo in the top left here. So make sure you check that out to get one-click profit calculations. So this concludes the video here on the top purchase order apps available for your Shopify store. Let me know in the comments if you plan on using any of these. Also, if you enjoyed the video, make sure you like and subscribe below. I come up with new videos all the time on educating you on how to use Shopify, so you don't want to miss out on those. There's also going to be suggested videos, so make sure you check that out as well at the end of this video. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.